Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital. The US market, Euro versus the US dollar. The movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder and director Dr. Mann.
Morning, we are back with a report of the US markets, Bitcoin, oil, gold, and the US dollar. So, the market celebrated yesterday. The CPI report came out better than expected, and as a result, the market surged. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq, all three rallied and shot through the roof. All three registered new highs. All three are primed for a further rally next week as well, simply because they are now expecting the Federal Reserve to come out with the rate cut on Wednesday. The report being better than was expected, the inflation numbers being better than what was being feared, has actually laid the ground for a rate cut on Wednesday, which is what the Fed is looking to do anyway. So I think then the next week is going to see this rally persisting and all three markets registering new highs. With the markets, the Bitcoin also rallied. The Bitcoin went up from 108,000 to 112,000. And with that, the US dollar also rallied. Given the government shutdown in the United States, seems that the end of that is imminent. Gold prices have come down, which was what was expected, and I don't think gold is going to rally any further for the foreseeable future. The markets are going to rally, gold being a safe haven asset. Whenever the markets rally, the money always comes out of gold and goes into the markets, and therefore I expect the market to rally on that and gold prices to stay where they are, or perhaps there may even be a dip in gold prices. Oil prices are holding steady now, no further increase ever since the sanctions on Russian oil companies last week. I don't expect oil to rally any further. So, as far as we are concerned, we're expecting a rate cut from the Federal Reserve meeting next Wednesday, which is going to make the markets rally further, and with that, Bitcoin will rally as well. And with that, I think the US dollar is also going to go up as the US government shutdown comes to an end. Gold and oil, gold, I expect there to be a dip in gold as the cash flows move from gold into equities. And oil, I think, is going to hold steady unless there is any geopolitical tension. So we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned, and we'll give you a forecast for next week shortly.